Hello and welcome. I hope now you have clear understanding about Docker stack, but we want to make it crystal clear. How? We can do this by performing lab of this. Okay, so now we are going to start lab of Docker stack. Here we have these 8 points that we need to follow. First of all, I am going to start with the lab introduction. In this lab, we will deploy simple multi-container application using Docker stack. It is same lab that we have used during Docker Compose practical, but here, instead of creating single container inside one Docker host, we are going to create replicas. We are creating services into the Swarm environment. The application will consist 3 services. The first one, we have PHP web server, acts like a front end. Then we have MySQL, will act like a back end to store data. And to verify this data, we will use adminer. So again, we need to create 3 containers working together. You will deploy these services across Docker Swarm cluster, ensuring that all the services works together, right? Now, what are the prerequisites for this lab? We have to have EC2 instance if you are using AWS environment, if you are using your own premises, or if you are using even Azure environment, no need to worry, but I want you to use Ubuntu machines because all the commands and everything is recording to the Ubuntu, right? Then you need to install Docker, then you have to install Git as well. Same way, once your Docker host ready, you can set up the Swarm cluster. So this is like a prerequisites for this particular lab. Now you don't need to worry about this. We are going to complete this prerequisites detail first, then we will perform lab. So no need to worry about this. I just inform you that these are the requirements, but no need to worry. I am going to give you details about all of this. But for this, you have to wait till next video. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.